Hey guys, it's me, Kaylee here, and my cousin.
It's like, my name is Caitlin.
Yeah, and so it's very loud here because it's like a party slash not really, but we have my slimes here and we're gonna be showing them. So we're just in the floor, so we don't know about this. But okay, so you go first because you're my.
Okay, I'll close my eyes.
We only have 3 minutes, so.
So we have this blue one, who's kind of sticky. It has some glitter.
So ignore the other things because, like, I don't know.
Yeah, party. Yeah.
Okay, that was a minute. I need to hurry. Okay.
Okay, record.
What are you gonna
Just gonna pick this one because I really like it. It's pink.
Yeah, go.
And mine is, and it's pretty sticky. And it has so many pieces of glitter that's pink. And so that's that one.
Okay.
You have. Okay.
Go.
I'll
This is actually
pick
like a
this
challenge. Okay, we might not be able to show.
You have to go hurry up.
Okay, don't show the double. Like,
Okay,
just show one.
This has some beads, foam beads,
Okay.
and blue stuff. Okay, there you go. I'll film you.
I'll just get the clear one.
Clear one, 2 more to go. How many minutes? 2 more to go. Okay. We have 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Go. Okay.
Pick one. Come on. This is like a challenge.
This one.
And look at
This one is slash cupcake.
Oh yeah, it's scented. Okay, hurry.
Okay. Your turn.
We have like less than a minute.
Actually, a minute. So here is
¿Quién tiene más carne? A ver, vamos a ver quién tiene más carne.
It's also scented.
Ay, güey, no me toquen a mí.
So that was and here
Ahorita, mijo, pues no, me chingué la amarilla, güey.
Here are my labels. It's slime by Kaylee. I sell my slime, and I also have this.
Algo, güey, mamá.
but she doesn't sell this. And she said if it says
Yeah, no, I forgot the stickers for those, but I do sell those. And I have this one too. It's blue, white, and pink. Although I don't have a pink one right now.
No tengo miedo, güey. No tengo miedo.
So that is all for today. Bye, guys.
Miedo no tengo nadie.